Just don't make no sense. Lips are so dry. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey. So today I'm coming through with a hashtag use your stash fall winter. Ooh. So today I'm coming through with a hashtag use your stash fall winter moisturizing edition. So every single product that I use and layer today will have a moisture purpose. It's getting colder and colder outside and your hair's dry. Who has time to be moisturizing their hair every day or every other day? Not me. As usual, every single product that I use or mention will be in the description box. I'm already pre-pooing with the African Pride pre-shampoo treatment under my slap cap. And once I rinse out the African Pride pre-shampoo treatment, I am going to go in with the Maya Organics Pomegranate and Honey Moisturizing and Detangling Shampoo and Conditioner. I've mentioned these multiple times on my channel. These are moisturizing, they have great slip, and they're pretty affordable, and you can find them on the ground. Once I rinse the Maya shampoo and conditioner, I am going to go in with an oldie but goodie. This is the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. What do I need to say about this? What can I say about this that you don't already know? Like an OG. We're using it. Once I apply the deep conditioner, I am going to put on a plastic cap and leave that on for about 45 minutes to an hour. And once I rinse that out, I'm going to go in with my leave-in. Today I'm going to be using the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate leave-in conditioner from their leave-in collection, even though you can buy these individually now, and they are sold at Target. A good portion of us probably already know that honey is a humectant, so this is going to give us ultimate hydration by pulling the moisture from the atmosphere and putting it in our hair. Yes! And if you saw my most recent upload, you saw that I got an amazing braid out using the As I Am Double Buttercream as a moisturizer. I also used the Main Choices Pearly Braid Out Glaze in that video, but today I'm going to be layering it with the Ancient Egyptian 24 karat gold glistening twisting gel. What? So this is just how the pre-shampoo is looking in my hair. Really juicy. I did sleep with this in overnight because I'm a lazy bum. But I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out and let's get started. Alright, I am back from air drying my hair for a couple of hours in a t-shirt, and I look crazy. So I let my hair dry down in these twists maybe for about 2 or 3 hours. So my hair is probably about halfway dry. So now I'm going to go in with the As I Am Double Buttercream and the Main Choice 24 Karat Gold Gel. I'm going to start here in the front. If you saw my most recent upload, you know that I used the Double Buttercream with the Pearly Braid Out Glaze. The Pearly Braid Out Glaze, the Gelato, as well as the 24 Karat Gel are all in that kind of same texture family. So I figure I can't go wrong combining those today. Hi, Cam. Hi, Yax. What you doing?
Good.
Okay.
You can call back.
Okay, you gonna call back?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Wait.
You gotta hang up yourself? You know how to hang up? Oh, yep, she does. So in case you didn't watch that video, the As I Am Double Buttercream is a super thick product and a super expensive one as well. So the great thing about the As I Am Double Buttercream is you do not need a lot, and it just, it's so moisturizing. Like I love this so much. I love it so much. So really, really work that through. It just melts into my hair. None of that white residue stuff. My hair just drinks it up. And it gives me a little bit of slip too, so I can like mold my hair into the texture that I want it to have, which in this instance will be, let's say it all together, a braid out. Apparently I didn't use enough product in that video, so I'm going to go in a little more heavy-handed with the 24 karat gel, which, in case you haven't seen my video on that, is super liquidy as well. So I'm just going to rake and smooth the products through until my curls start to define and clump. If the products aren't clumping or defining your hair prior to you even starting to do a twist or a braid, like add more. So my curls are starting to feel like they're clumping and defining. So I'll go ahead and braid. And no, I don't typically use tools. More often than not, I don't need to. If I was doing a style where I wanted my hair to be super sleek, then I would go in with like a comb or detangling brush, but I don't find it necessary for a braid out or even a twist out. That's the first braid. I just feel like I'm going to keep these braids, like the twists that I have, the sections that I have, I feel like I'm just going to make those my braids. It's fine. So these are my final results after using the As I Am Double Buttercream and the Main Choice 24 Karat Gold Gel. Let's do a quick recap. So I pre-pooed overnight using the African Pride pre-shampoo treatment. I used that to prep and kind of detangle my hair before I went in with the Mael Pomegranate and Honey shampoo and conditioner. Now I know that some people don't agree with conditioning before deep conditioning, but we have to remember that all deep conditioners don't have slip and all of us don't use deep conditioner for slip. So yes, I do go in with a conditioner before I deep condition in an effort to make sure that my hair stays detangled. So yes, yes, I went in with the OG TGIN Honey Miracle Mask, and that's a staple in a lot of our stashes. That gives me great moisture and made my hair really, really soft. I left that in for a little over an hour, and then I rinsed that out with lukewarm water, and then I went in with my leave-in. Now, I want to stress that if you are using the Camille Rose Honey Leave-In, that you use it on wet hair. The Honey Leave-In conditioner does not give me a lot of slip, but it gives me great moisture and hydration and keeps my hair really, really soft. You all know that I like to style my hair damp so that way I can cut down on drying time. I did let my hair dry down in a t-shirt for about an hour or two. After my hair was about halfway dry, I did go in with the As I Am Double Buttercream and the 24 karat gel from the Main Choice. And these are my final results. My hair is super soft and defined and shrunken. But I don't mind that because it'll get bigger throughout the next couple of days. Really enjoy the shrunkenness because it's really enhancing the shape that I got cut. My hair is super moisturized, which was the purpose of this entire wash day. So not only does my hair look good, my hair feels good. So be sure to drop down in the comments and let me know what you use when you want to have a super moisturizing wash day. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.